Hello, this is Doug, Bonneville Sharpening Service, Salt Lake City, Utah. I'm here to demonstrate how I like to use a strop for maintaining cutting edge. What happens when you use your knife is the edge starts to bend, and using a strop just gets that back in alignment, gets it back to straight, so it maintains that cutting edge longer. What I use is a 3x10 strop with a suede side and green compound. Then I take the knife, I lay the blade down, spines up just a little bit, and I push it towards me until the edge starts to slide. And that's what indicates that you've got the correct bevel angle. So what I do is just a few strokes on each side, probably 10 at the most, to help maintain and polish that edge. And if you did this a couple times a month, you'd be maintaining the edge longer. If you have any questions about using a strop or any sharpening questions, reach out to me, Doug at Bonneville Sharpening, and we'll help you out.